how does your vision that you have for your product that you have to be very specific about and build, how do you, pivot that, or how does that work in tandem with user interviews, and like when something that you think is like the genius part of your product is actually like maybe not going to be useful for most people who are your clients and customers.
There's a saying, you have to see the forest in the trees. Did I say that right? Right. There's a saying, which is like you have to be able to look at details, but you have to see the big picture. And that's a lot of what you have to do with 0 to 1 building. Feedback is really important, and feedback will help you go in the right direction, but you should have a higher level vision for where your product needs to go, right? And your vision can't be in the details. Your vision has to be 6 months from now, a year from now, 10 years from now, this is what it's going to be, right? So that's your vision. When it comes back to feedback, I think that's where the one thing I always tell founders like yourselves, as well as PMs, is that you should always have a pivot strategy. Should always have a pivot strategy. Pivoting is like this like infamous P word that no one wants to talk about and like everyone is scared of. It's actually not that scary. And most successful companies have pivoted multiple times. And I think it's really important to understand that.